Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Shay Skylar and I'm back with another video. This video is featuring Merit Beauty. I absolutely love Merit Beauty products. It is black girl friendly. It's always important to find some makeup that really goes with our skin complexion. So when I find it, I am taken aback and I will continue to purchase. So they reached out to me and they sent me 3 lipsticks and they sent me 3 blushes. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go over the lipsticks. This is how they look. The colors Du Jour, Bespoke, Black Tie. So of course, I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips with brown. Okay, so the first color that I'm gonna use is Du Jour. And this is how it looks, like a nude. Put it on. She's a pretty nude. Alright, that's Du Jour. Now I'm going to do the color Bespoke. It's like a brown. Or nude as well. Subtle. And Black Tie. And this is how Black Tie looks. It's like a subtle red. Now, I'm going to swatch these blushes on me so you guys can see. And this is their mini blush set. So pretty. So the first color is Mood. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on my cheek. Next, we have Stockholm. So I'm going to go ahead and add her over here. We have the color Bespoke. Like a lighter color of the blush up here. I love it. This is perfect if you need like a gift for the holiday season for anyone that you may know. They come in these cute little gift sets and you can just give it to them, just throw it in a bag and they'll be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions, but yeah, very pretty. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed one.